Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to make something simple with some basic tools. As we learned last time, the tools which are used in Corel, we are going to use them right now to create a very simple shape. So before we start, I will ask you to subscribe, to comment, to like our videos so that we may have the courage of making more tutorials. I'm going to start with the Android logo after opening your page. It depends on the size which you like. And here you are going to click here basic shape tools, and you have a group of tools here. You are going to pick the basic shapes, and after picking the basic shapes, you'll find on top here you'll find some of the there will be a group of shapes which will be, or a group of shapes or tools which will be hidden. So if you click on that, you will unhide them. So here we pick this one. It looks like a U. So you will click on this U, and then you hold Alt and you click and drag. You will draw that shape. Because if you don't hold Alt, it means you will draw something like this, which is not good. So you will convert it. You right click here to convert it into curves. After converting into curves, you will eliminate those points which you don't want. So you try to resize it a little bit. Yes, here we have the head. You take the rectangle. This one will not hold Alt because we don't want a square, we want a rectangle. So if you have that one, automatically you have the body, but you are supposed to separate the body and the head. So you use the direction tool on your keyboard, and then you take the body somehow down. To make the real body as you can see it, we are going to copy first of all the rectangle. You remain with it in the clipboard, and then you try to make curves along this body. After having those curves, you will click now the old rectangle which you copied, and then you try to send it somehow. You try to move it high, and the other one remain down. So to select the two and to click on weld. Once you click on weld, you will combine the two and you remain with those curves down, and up you will not have the curves. So you separate it again. After doing that, we are going to have again the same rectangle, and then to have the arms, we are going to do the same as we did before. Yes. So you have the arms. After drawing this one, you will hit Ctrl plus C, and then you deselect, you press also Ctrl plus V, and then you have that one. So click and hold on it, and then you hit Shift on the keyboard, and then you drag it, which means it will not change the position. Okay. Now I'm going to make legs, and the other one. We can't have those legs. The legs can't be seen like that. And the legs, and then I go in weld again. I hit weld, and then it will give me that. What is remaining? The antenna and the eyes. I'm going to start with the eyes. So to make our eyes, I'm going to pick the ellipse, and then I hold Control, and then I click and drag. So I have the first eye. Let me see if the position is good. Yes, not bad. I combine Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, and then I click and hold on that one, and then I place it somewhere. Now what is remaining? Only those antennas. The antennas will select again the rectangle, and then you draw something simple like this. Then try somehow. Yes, and I copy it and paste it, and I will turn it. You click here to mirror it. So when you are to mirror, it means you will turn it. The one which have been pasted will be turned like that one if you click on this. Okay, let me move it a little bit. Yes. So I select the head and those two antennas and I hit on weld. So I have the antennas. Up to now we have our Android logo. First of all, you will color it and then you will remove the outlines. So let me fill it. I can select the whole Android logo and then I hit on that. But this one, as you can see, we don't want them colored. So you're supposed to fill it with a white. Now, as you can see, it has got the outlines, the black one. It's disturbing. So you are supposed to select it again. You select the whole logo, and then you right click on this box which is empty. So I have my Android logo. I can now copy it and make many Android logos as I want because I have them already. So I have the other one here. Another one small baby can come here. Yes. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment on our videos. We'll meet again next time.